Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to all my lovely regular viewers, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So tonight's video is another Glitterbels tutorial because, as you know, I absolutely love Glitterbels. So I thought I would do another little girly set, considering that yesterday I was down with my local supplier, who I may say is like 5 minutes from my house, so I feel so blessed. It's so great to have Glitterbels literally so close to me. So I am using a range of different products here. I got the Candyfly, which is these little, oh my goodness, they're so pretty, these little butterflies, pink butterflies. So I thought it would be a good idea to do a nice pink set to go with them. So I'm starting out on the little finger and I'm going in with baby powder, and I'm just going to do a full coverage over this nail with baby powder. And then throughout the video I do, as you know, I love my glitter. I do end up going and getting some glitter and adding that, because even though it is shimmery, I thought this set should just be so glittery and girly, I needed to add more. Moving on now to the index finger, and again I'm going to be doing all the baby powder first. So I want to get the shimmery out of the way, because I do sometimes find that when you are using the shimmer acrylics, you do end up with some of the shimmer at the bottom of your monomer. So I don't want to have too much line at the bottom of my monomer, so I'm getting it all out of the way now. So again, on the index finger, it's another full coverage of baby powder. The coverage of this is really good, but I think the heat of my room today, it's literally just, it's drying so quickly. So again, in this video, I'm going to include the thumb. I am going to try and include the thumb in a lot of my new videos, because I know myself, whenever a client comes in and they just show you a picture of 4 nails that they've picked up off Pinterest or whatever, and we're always in this dilemma about what do we do on the thumb. So what I normally do is, what I do on the little finger, I normally do the same on the thumb, but for some reason I haven't done it this time. But yeah, I'm going to try and include the thumbs in most of my videos from now on. So I'm going on to the ring finger, and this is going to be a colour block. So I'm using Pom Pom, which is another beautiful pink from Glitterbels. It's a really sweet, soft, it's almost like a milky pink. It's really nice. So I'm going to be doing a colour blocking with the Pom Pom and the baby powder. And then the bottom half of the nail is going to be glass, and I'm then going to incorporate those little Candyfly butterflies. So I have waited until the Pom Pom has started to mattify, and then I went in with my little cutting tool and I've cut a straight line from the sidewall to sidewall. I am getting in now with a little bit more Pom Pom, because I did notice I didn't bring it down just far enough to make the line really straight. So I will go back in with my little cutting tool and just straighten up that line. And then once it's cured, I'm going to go in with my hand file and I'll just sharpen it up even more. Onto the middle finger now, and I'm going in with just a little base of glass slippers. I'm keeping it really thin, but enough so that I can put these little butterflies on. So I'm putting the Candyfly butterflies on, which are the Glitterbels one, and then also these little holographic ones that I got off eBay, just to kind of jazz it up a little bit. So I do it this way because I find doing it this way the nails don't become as thick. It's literally a really fine clear base, and that way whenever I go to cap it, the nails aren't too thick. So I'm just going to continue that up the whole nail, and then we'll cap it at the end. Up at the cuticle area, I'm going in with a more heavy coverage of the butterflies, just to hide the colour of the nail bed. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cap the middle finger with my glass slippers, but I do realise that it just needed a little bit more. So even on top of the clear, I went in with some pink crush, and then I went in with some rainbow crush. Back now to the ring finger, and I'm just taking my hand file and I'm just going to sharpen up the straight line that I did with the Pom Pom, and then I'll go in with the baby powder. So when I'm placing the baby powder, I'm pushing it right up against that straight line that I made with the Pom Pom. I'm trying not to go over it, and I'm just kind of patting it into place, making sure that it's the same height and same level as the Pom Pom, and then I'll go in with my glass slippers and add the butterflies. With the baby powder, I decided not to wait on it curing to get the line really straight, so I did as much as I could with my brush. I have found that the colours that have the shimmer in them, they do take quite a bit longer to cure. I'm not sure as to why, but they do. So now I'm going in with the glass slippers, again like I did on the middle finger, nice and thin, and I'm just going to place those little butterflies on it just one by one. So I was just about to cap the rest of the fingernails in glass slippers. Whenever I looked at them, I thought, no, they need a little bit more glitter. So I've grabbed some pink crush, and I'm just going to put that up at the cuticle area on the pointer finger and the little finger, and I'm just going to fade it down towards the free edge. So obviously one layer of the paint crush wasn't enough for me. I went in with the second layer on the little finger, the pointer finger and the thumb. And then again, I decided no, it needs a little bit more. So I went and got my rainbow crush and I've just added that as well. On the thumbnail, you can see that I haven't started at the cuticle area. I've actually started at the free edge, and I've worked it up just in like a diagonal pattern, and I'll also add some rainbow crush to the thumb as well. I definitely think adding the rainbow crush has just made, you know, such a difference to the nails. It's just introducing a couple of different colours to reflect off. And I'm also going to add it to the two glass nails as well, the ring finger and the middle finger. I'm just going to do it really, really sparingly though. I don't want too much of it. It's literally just a hint of the rainbow. So now that I think I've added enough glitter to the nails, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cap them in glass slippers. So I'm only going to show one of them being capped though, because they're all done exactly the same and I always like to leave the length of the video done. So now that I have them all capped and it's cured, it's ready. I'm ready now to file and shape the nails. So I'm only going to show one nail being filed just to keep the length of the video down. And I'm using my 5-in-1 drill bit, which I absolutely love. These are definitely worth the investment. You can literally use this one drill bit for every part of the nail. But I'm not giving up my hand file because I absolutely love my hand files too. I think you just get a better finish. What the e-file is doing really is debulking the nail and making sure that you're getting it really, really flush around them cuticles. So now that I've debulked the nails using my e-file, I'm going ahead with my hand file and I'm just doing my normal filing routine. I'm just making sure the side walls are nice and straight. I'm making sure that the lower arch is nice and straight and that my free edge is the shape that I want it. And after I've done all that, I'm going to go over the whole nail, just making sure there's no obvious lumps and bumps, and then I'll always finish off with my buffer. Now that they're all buffed in shape, I'm just shaped. I'm just going ahead and I'm removing all the dust with some alcohol, and now I'm going to go in with my Glitterbels No White Top Coat. I'm not going to be adding any rhinestones to the nails because I think they're just nice as they are. And here is the finished set, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, you know what to do. Hit that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed, you can go ahead and do that now. And if you also hit that little notification bell, you'll not miss any more of my new videos. And I will see you all in the next one. So take care. See you soon. Bye.